Zamzar is a fabulous web-based solution for converting file types to different formats that may be needed if you are actually working with an application that is not on the web and sharing that file with someone else who may not have that application. So an example might be someone who is using a program like Pages on an iPad or on a Mac, and they send it to somebody who has a Windows computer and they do not have Pages. That person would not be able to view that file. Well, Zamzar will allow you to make those conversions either as the sender. You can do the converting for the recipient, or the recipient can make the change and convert the file after they receive it. There is no sign up for this site, and which I like, and it does have some small advertisements, but for the most part it's a pretty clean and very efficient utility. So essentially what you need to do is you need to select a file that you wish to change, and I've made a sample file, so I've got a sample PowerPoint that we're going to convert, and based on the file type in step 2 it will give you the format that it should be, the most common formats that it would most likely be changed into. And so the one that I'm going to use is the ODP. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with ODP, ODP is simply the file format for OpenOffice, which is a free version of the Microsoft Office suite. And this is the presentation format for OpenOffice. And so essentially we're going to go from PowerPoint to the OpenOffice presentation application. And the next step is to include your email address. And then you click on Convert. And you'll get this dialog box saying that a link will be made in Zamzar to convert the PowerPoint to the OpenOffice format. You simply just click OK. And you'll see a progress meter. Depending on the size of the file, you will see it take a longer period of time. And so the upload here in this particular case has been completed. And then eventually what you need to do is you go back into your email, and you will see that Zamzar has indeed sent you an email. We'll go ahead and click on that, and if you scroll on down right here, you have the option to download this copy of this new file in the OpenOffice format. So I'll go ahead and I click on that. You'll notice it's already in the ODP format. Click on download, and it will end up downloading that application into your browser, and then you can use that file. There's no need to sign up for anything here. You're good to go, and this is once again a fantastic utility that I've used on a number of occasions, and many boys have used as well. Hope that helps. Thanks.